The number of zeros at the end basically mean what is the highest power of 10 in a number. For example, if you have a number such as this, there are 3 zeros at the end because this number has a 10 raised to power 3 in it. So in simple words, the question is asking that what is the highest power of 10 in 200 factorial. Now, if you directly find a number of tens, you will get a wrong answer because 10 is not a prime number. A 10 is formed when a 5 and 2 are multiplied. Imagine when 200 factorial is being expanded, there would be a number such as say 8, there would be a number such as say 125. See, 200 into 199 into 198, all these numbers would come. 8 does not have a 0 in it, 125 does not have a 0 in it. But when they are multiplied, this becomes 1000 and suddenly this produces 3 zeros. So it's not so much a matter of 10, it is a matter of a pair of 5 and 2. Of course, when 200 factorial is expanded, there will be lots of 5s and lot of 2s. The number of 5s would be greater than the number of 2s. Every fifth number happens to be a multiple of 5, while every second number happens to be a multiple of 2, and therefore it is the number of 5s which would be less, and the answer would depend on how many times 5 divides 200 factorial. So let's see how many times 5 divides 200 factorial. 200 upon 5, 40. There are 40 numbers which are a multiple of 5 between 1 and 200. However, this is not the right answer. This would always be an answer choice, but this won't be the right answer because out of these 40 numbers, there are many numbers which are a multiple of 5 square or 25. Imagine numbers such as 25, 50, 75, numbers which are a multiple of 5 square would have 2 5s in them. How many such numbers? 200 upon 5 square. To save time, you can simply divide this number by 5. You get 8. So there are 8 numbers which have 2 5s in them. One 5 has been counted here. The other 5 gets counted here. And similarly, there would be some numbers which would be a multiple of 5 cube. There would be only one such number, which is 125. To save time, you can always just divide this number by 5. You get 1. Don't worry about the fractions. Don't worry about the remainder. There's only one such number. So in all, we have 40 plus 8 plus 1. 49 5s. There'll be lots of 2s. 2 is not a problem. If there are 49 5s, there would be 49 10s and there would be 49 zeros therefore at the end of 200 factorial when it is expanded. The right answer is 49. This is a frequently tested concept on the GMAT. In case you are not clear about this, please watch our videos on this concept.